Let me show you how to edit photos with AI on your OnePlus 15. So go to your gallery and pick that photo you want to edit. So for instance, I can pick this one and then now tap on the pen icon, which is the edit icon, and that opens up the photo editor. Now on the left hand side of that menu, you will see AI editor. And if you tap on it, it gives you all the AI editing options. Now from here, you have, for instance, AI Recompose, which attempts to recompose your shot. So if it feels like it was a bit off, it's going to try and recompose. So you tap on it and then it's going to try and find some better compositions, and you can see what it looks like after recomposition and what it looked like before, after, before, after, before. So you can, if you like it, just tap on done and that's going to get saved. If you don't like it, you can just tap on cancel. And then we also have AI eraser, which you can use to erase things from photos. So for instance, if I want to erase this little blemish here, I just draw on it. It's gonna recognize it, take it away, and then I'm good to go, and I can now tap on done. You can also use it for people. So if you go to AI eraser, you can have it remove people from photos. For instance, I have this photo here and you can clearly see there's someone here. Okay, so all I need to do is again go to editor, AI eraser, and then select remove people. It's already detected this person. Okay, and you can just tap on remove all, and that's going to remove every detected person from that particular photo and recompose that particular picture. As you can see, now it didn't do the perfect job here, but it works. Okay, for most people and for more detailed photos, it's gonna work. Okay, you can also choose to remove something. You can draw over something, or you can paint over something. For instance, if you want to get rid of that yellow bucket, you can just draw over it and it's going to get erased from my picture. Simple as that. Sometimes you have to do it more than once to get a better shot. So that is basically how to use the AI editor for AI eraser. And then you have the AI portrait glow, that's for portrait photos. You can do things like AI detail boost, which basically attempts to boost the detail of the photos you take. And you can use AI unblur. So if you have something which was blurred and you want it unblurred, you can use the AI unblur option. Then of course you have the AI reflection eraser. If you take a photo where there are too many reflections from windows and stuff like that, you can use that AI to remove or reduce reflections in that picture. So that is basically how to use AI to edit pictures on your OnePlus 15. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.